Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. The art of Serenity, designing a French coastal home in classic bleached white. Imagine a home where the sun-drenched shores of Normandy meet the timeless elegance of Provençal style. This is the essence of the French coastal aesthetic, a design philosophy that moves beyond mere nautical themes to embrace a soulful, weathered beauty. At its heart lies the classic bleached white, a hue that captures the effect of sea salt and sun on ancient limestone walls. This style is not about stark modernity, but about a palette that feels both pure and profoundly peaceful. It evokes a sense of calm, as if the home itself is a quiet sanctuary bathed in soft, diffused light. The result is an environment that is both refreshingly bright and deeply comforting, a true retreat from the world. The journey into this serene style begins at the exterior, where the home makes its first powerful statement. The main wall color, a pure white like Chantilly lace, is applied in a matte or chalky finish to mimic the look of aged limestone and sea-bleached shells. This bright facade is beautifully contrasted with a roof of weathered gray wood or slate, adding depth and a sense of history to the structure. Soft, creeping jasmine or climbing roses in pale hues frame the doorway, introducing a touch of untamed, natural beauty. Underfoot, a gravel path or flagstones in pale jute tones lead the way, crunching softly with each step. The overall impression is not one of newness, but of a home that has been lovingly settled into its landscape, gracefully enduring the coastal elements. Stepping inside, the entryway sets the tonal foundation for the entire home, immediately establishing an atmosphere of tranquil arrival. The same pure matte white covers the walls, making the compact space feel expansive and amplifying the natural light that filters through. A console table in weathered gray would act as a functional centerpiece, its silvery gray grain telling a story of time and use. Upon it, a simple ceramic vessel holds dried grasses or bleached sea oats, their pale jute color providing a soft, textural accent. The living room is the heart of the home, a space designed for relaxation and quiet conversation bathed in soft light. Walls of bright white serve as the perfect canvas, allowing the textures and forms of the furnishings to take center stage. A large, comfortable sofa is upholstered in a pale oatmeal linen, inviting you to sink in, while throw pillows in varying shades of jute and gray add layered comfort. The key furniture piece, a coffee table or sideboard crafted from reclaimed, weathered gray wood, introduces an organic, grounding element. A chunky, hand-woven throw in a natural fiber is casually draped over an armchair, enhancing the room's tactile appeal. The overall effect is one of effortless elegance, where every element contributes to a feeling of airy, uncluttered comfort. Transforming the bedroom into a dreamlike sanctuary is central to this aesthetic, promoting rest and rejuvenation. Here, the bleached white walls create a cloud-like backdrop, ensuring the space feels pristine, peaceful, and incredibly spacious. The bed is dressed in crisp white linens, layered with a lightweight coverlet in a soft oatmeal hue for visual warmth and texture. A headboard or a pair of nightstands in weathered gray would provide a gentle, contrasting anchor to the airy color scheme. On the floor, a plush, pale jute area rug adds a layer of softness and organic texture underfoot. The final touch is a sheer white linen curtain that diffuses the morning light, casting a soft, ethereal glow throughout the room. The dining room embodies a sense of rustic elegance, designed to foster intimate gatherings and leisurely meals. A farmhouse table of weathered gray wood, marked by the gentle patina of time, stands as the sturdy, beautiful focal point of the room. It is surrounded by slip-covered dining chairs in a durable oatmeal-colored cotton, promising comfort and easy care. Overhead, a simple chandelier with a bleached wood or white-glazed iron frame casts a warm, ambient light for evening entertaining. Table settings feature white stoneware and linen napkins, allowing the natural texture of the placemats in pale jute to shine. This space perfectly balances refined style with a welcoming, informal charm that encourages guests to linger. In the kitchen, the French coastal style achieves a perfect blend of timeless beauty and practical functionality. Cabinetry is painted in the signature bright white with a matte finish, creating a clean and luminous backdrop for food preparation. Countertops of honed Carrara marble or a pale gray quartzite introduce subtle, organic veining and a touch of timeless luxury. Open shelving made from weathered gray wood displays simple white pottery and glassware, adding visual interest and accessible storage. The hardware is chosen in unlacquered brass or iron in a muted finish, which will develop a soft patina over time. A central island, if present, may be crafted from a chunk of weathered wood, serving as a stunning textural contrast to the white cabinetry. The bathroom becomes a personal spa, a serene escape that emphasizes purity and tranquility. Walls clad in white subway tile with a matte finish reflect light and evoke a classic, clean feel, reminiscent of an old French farmhouse. The vanity, crafted from a piece of weathered gray wood or a base painted in a pale gray, introduces warmth and a touch of rustic character. A simple frameless mirror is paired with sconces that have linen shades, casting a soft, flattering light. Textiles like the bath mat and towels are chosen in soft oatmeal and pale jute tones, enhancing the soothing, organic atmosphere. Together, these elements create a space that feels less like a utility room and more like a calming, restorative retreat.